Many people think wrinkles are simply the natural marks of time, slow and inevitable changes that appear as the years move forward. But new scientific understanding is revealing a far more surprising truth. Skin aging does not follow a fixed schedule. It follows the rhythm of collagen loss. Collagen acts as the hidden scaffolding beneath the surface, shaping firmness, fullness, strength, and elasticity. The body works endlessly to renew and build it, but this renewal can be disrupted by daily habits, environmental exposure, and nutrition. When the rate of loss becomes faster than the rate of renewal, the skin begins to show early sagging and visible lines that many assume are purely age-driven. This growing scientific insight places the spotlight on something many people overlook. While sunscreen shields the surface from ultraviolet damage, the deeper battle for youthful skin takes place inside the body. The foods chosen every day help determine whether the skin remains strong and firm or becomes fragile and loose. In other words, the real story of wrinkle formation is not only written by sunlight and stress, but by what sits on the plate at every meal. A group of natural foods has emerged as quiet heroes in this fight. They do not promise miracles or instant transformation, but they influence the inner processes that govern skin renewal. They strengthen cell membranes, support moisture balance, nourish the gut environment that influences skin clarity, and supply the raw materials needed for collagen building. These foods work through antioxidants, plant compounds, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that help the body resist the gradual breakdown that leads to visible aging. One of these foods is a small fruit with a green center and a refreshing tang. Many people enjoy it for its taste, but few realize the powerful internal support it provides. It is rich in a nutrient deeply tied to collagen formation. This nutrient acts as a spark for the entire collagen building process. Without it, the skin can struggle to maintain firmness. With it, the skin gains the steady supply line needed to rebuild and repair. This makes the fruit far more than a simple snack. It becomes a steady source of support for long-lasting skin health. Another helpful food comes from the world of tree nuts. These nuts are known for their creamy texture and satisfying crunch. Beyond taste, they hold an abundance of a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects delicate cell membranes from oxidative stress. This antioxidant sits inside the membrane itself, guarding it from damage caused by pollution, internal stress, and daily exposure to environmental elements. Combined with healthy fats, this nutrient helps keep the skin barrier stable, hydrated, and strong. Regular intake of these nuts supports a smoother appearance and helps the skin retain moisture more effectively. Plant-based protein also plays a profound role. One familiar soy-based food offers more than simple nourishment. It carries natural compounds that resemble certain active substances within the human body. These compounds interact with pathways associated with skin elasticity and firmness. They help the skin maintain its bounce, its soft flexibility, and its ability to return to shape after stretching. Alongside this, the high-quality plant protein strengthens the body, giving the skin the structural building blocks it needs for long-term resilience. From the ocean comes an ingredient many overlook in daily life. Sea vegetables, especially those found in the cooler depths, contain long-chain molecules linked to powerful moisturizing ability. These polysaccharides help the skin retain water, giving it a supple, plump appearance. They also contain trace minerals that support cellular functions involved in healing and regeneration. For people living in coastal communities, these sea vegetables have long been a part of daily meals. Modern research is now highlighting how valuable they can be for maintaining soft and hydrated skin. Bright red fruits also deserve a place on the list of skin-supporting foods. Their deep color signals the presence of strong plant pigments. These pigments protect the body from internal oxidative stress, a major factor in collagen breakdown. When the body faces stressors, these pigments act as defenders, helping reduce damage before it reaches the skin surface. Some of these fruits even contain natural compounds involved in nighttime regeneration. This means they support the skin during sleeping hours when the body carries out most of its repair work. Whole grains bring another important benefit. One familiar grain contains a special type of soluble fiber known for its soothing qualities. This fiber supports a balanced gut environment. Though it may seem unrelated, gut health and skin health are deeply connected. An imbalanced gut can lead to systemic stress, which often shows up as dullness, sensitivity, or inflammation on the skin. A well-nourished gut, supported by this fiber-rich grain, helps regulate internal processes that influence skin clarity, smoothness, and vibrancy. Seeds, especially small and dark varieties used in many traditional dishes, offer powerful nutrients for maintaining youthful skin. These seeds are packed with natural vitamin E, healthy fats, and plant compounds associated with antioxidant activity. Their extremely high content of unsaturated fatty acids supports flexible cell membranes, allowing nutrients to flow in and waste to move out efficiently. This flexibility is essential for keeping the skin soft and well hydrated. Among plant oils, one stands out above the rest for its remarkable richness in a specific essential fatty acid. This fatty acid belongs to the omega-3 family and plays a key role in maintaining cell membrane fluidity. A fluid membrane supports healthy communication between cells, proper hydration, and balanced inflammation response. This plant oil offers one of the highest natural concentrations of this fatty acid, making it a valuable addition to any anti-aging diet. When this oil becomes a regular part of cooking or daily supplementation, the skin gains the fatty acids needed to stay smooth and resilient. The growing understanding of omega balance also sheds light on a common dietary challenge. Modern cooking often relies on oils high in omega-6 fatty acids. While these fatty acids are important, an excessive amount can disrupt the delicate balance required for optimal skin health. Shifting away from heavy omega-6 oils toward oils richer in omega-3 can help restore equilibrium. Many people assume olive oil fulfills this purpose, but it contains only a small fraction of omega-3. In contrast, the previously mentioned plant oil delivers a far higher natural supply, making it a more effective choice for skin nourishment. Taken together, these foods form a powerful, natural defense against the factors that accelerate collagen loss. They nourish, restore, protect, and balance the internal environment that determines how quickly or slowly the skin ages. They do not erase lines overnight, but they work quietly and consistently to strengthen the foundation beneath the surface. With steady intake, they help ensure that the skin remains firm, radiant, and hydrated for far longer than most people expect. The lesson is simple but profound. Skin aging does not begin on the outside. It begins within. Through thoughtful daily choices, especially food, anyone can influence the speed at which collagen fades. And by embracing these natural foods, the skin gains the support it needs to stay youthful and strong. If this helped you see skin aging in a new light, make sure to follow the channel and share this with someone who needs it. Your small action keeps this community growing and brings more science-backed insights your way. See you in the next one.